So we're gonna work on this. What is this shit? What, 2020?
Yeah.
2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. We're gonna do the mid pipes. A lot of fucking videos on YouTube don't fucking explain what you need, how to do it. So here, Trunk Garage, gotta help you out. Penetrating oil, WD-40 or PP plaster, a little pipe to get leverage, a little 3/8 ratchet, your O2 sensor socket, O2 sensor thread chaser, your pry bar, flashlight, your choice of a fully charged impact wrench with a 6-inch extension, a 16mm deep socket, a 15mm deep socket, and picks. Under here, you gotta remove that bolt, and then another bolt right there. Those are gonna be your 16mm, and then all the way over here, right here on the C clamp, you're gonna use the 15mm. And then for bolts, that's it. You can put your ratchet or your impact wrench away. Now for the hard part, we'll be removing the old pipe and putting in the new pipe. For that, you're gonna need a mallet. This one's from Harbor Freight, little 4-pounder. The videos that I've been seeing haven't been showing you how the hell to take it out. So what you're gonna do is, what my buddy and I figured out works the best, is you're gonna push this pipe back instead of forward, and that flange out. You're gonna put everything back, and then that gives you enough space to put your pry bar in, leverage it out. This is gonna fall out, and then you slide everything out just like that. I'll be right back, get my buddy under there. I'll see you soon. So as you can see, my buddy's over there pushing that shit back. There's gonna be a crack right there, and that's exactly where you're going to set your pry bar. Let me see if I can set this up. Right there. You're gonna wedge your pry bar right there in the middle, and then try to pry it out while your other buddy is in the back and push it.
I'm gonna hammer it?
Yeah, hammer a little bit more.
Is it moving or no?
No. Go.
This shit start.
And just like that, the pipe is out. You still have to finesse it and put a pry bar in between that plate and the whole cat. Oh, we found that whatever this size of leverage is important and useful, but in this job, leverage is key.